Today I'll show you how to refund the game on Steam. I just purchased Euro Truck Simulator 2 just a couple of minutes ago and I played this game for literally 5 minutes. How can we refund this game? Well, press on your profile here and go into account details. Once inside it, find view purchase history, then find the game which you want to refund. I'll press on Euro Truck Simulator 2, select I'd like a refund and then select again I'd like to request a refund. Now choose where you want to receive the money. I can select the card with which I purchased the game, but instead I'd like to receive the money into my Steam wallet instead. Scroll down and also you'll have to give them a reason, select which one fits you the best. For me I will select just the game is too difficult. If you like you can give also some extra notes and you can submit the request right away. Usually it will take just a couple of days. What are the conditions to have your game fully refunded are, well, if you play this game for less than 2 hours and if you own this game for less than 6 months. If you comply with these Steam conditions, you will have your game fully refunded in just a couple of days. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.